超市学词汇 Hello, welcome to Mandarin with Yan Yan. In this series of videos, I'll take you guys go grocery shopping with me and teach you the name of the products in the grocery store. In this video, I was at the fruit section of the grocery store. Some fruits such as apple and banana are common worldwide. Some of the fruits in this video might not be common outside China and might not be in the textbook. That's why I decided to get out of the textbook and take you guys to the real world to learn words. Today's video is the first part of my stay at fruit section. You'll learn 12 fruits and the 3 country names. This is called 哈密瓜. Ha mi gua, he a ha, mo yi mi, ge wu a gua. Hami is a city in Xinjiang. This kind of melon had been cultivated in Hami for 2,000 years. When it was given as a gift to Emperor Kangxi of the Qing dynasty, its sweet taste impressed the emperor. The emperor named this melon after where it was from, Ha Mi Gua.
However, if you pay attention to the tag, it says Mi Gua. Let me put it this way. The name that's widely accepted is definitely Ha Mi Gua. So when you talk to someone and want to refer to this melon, you say Ha Mi Gua. But in grocery stores, there could be other names referring to different varieties or for marketing purpose. Mi means honey. When they say mi gua, they want to describe this melon as very sweet as honey. Pay attention, this mi is different from the mi in ha mi. They're different characters. In conclusion, this melon is called ha mi gua in Mandarin. That's the word you want to use when you communicate with others. But if you see mi gua or some other name somewhere, don't get confused or puzzled. See, that's why I take you to a grocery store to learn words. Language is very flexible and changeable. It's beyond the content in the dictionary or textbook. And if you meet someone from China who says honey melon, they probably refer to cantaloupe. I know a lot of people who thought the English word for cantaloupe is honey melon.
And these are 西瓜. 西瓜 吸一吸 ge wu a gua 西瓜 In ancient times, Xinjiang and Central Asia was called Xiyu. Xigua was introduced to China during the 4th to 5th century via the Silk Road from Xiyu. Therefore, it was named Xigua, 从西域来的瓜。苹果，苹果，坡银苹，歌沃果，苹果 apple. Nowadays in China, there is a weird custom related to 苹果, especially among young people. They give apple to their lovers as gift before Christmas, especially during Christmas Eve. And stores start selling expensive and exquisitely wrapped apples before Christmas. So apple in Christmas is like rose in Valentine's Day. I have a wild guess for the reason. Christmas Eve in Mandarin is called 平安夜. And the first character in 苹果 sounds the same as the first character in 平安夜. I guess that's the reason. And these are 梨 梨 le yi li li. I don't see pear quite often in the US or European countries, but in China, pear is as common as apple. They are usually placed next to apple as you saw in this video, and there are different varieties. There is a tradition in China. When we give fruit as a gift, we buy apple, not pear. As I just said, 苹果 sounds similar to 平安, safe. It has an auspicious meaning. Li, on the other hand, sounds similar to 离别, departure, separation. It's not a good thing. So we eat pears, but usually we don't give them as gift. Ning meng. Both characters have back nasal finals. Ne ying ning, mo eng meng, ning meng. Today in China, there is a very popular slang related to 柠檬. 我柠檬了. Lemon is very sour, so it's equivalent to 我酸了. It means I'm jealous. It used to be a negative word just like sour grape. But now it's a neutral word. You can say 我柠檬了 when you are jealous. 我柠檬了.
These are watermelon from Myanmar, Myanmar. 缅甸摸眼缅的燕店缅甸 Myanmar. During the winter, 90% of watermelon in China are from Myanmar.
Grapefruit. Yo. Z is the light tone. 柚子.橙子 Orange. 橙子 Z is a light tone. 橙子.
It's imported from South Africa. "产地南非 South Africa. 南非 南 非南非 South Africa.
产地产的意地产地 Place of origin. China is a big producer of fruit. At the same time, we import a lot of fruits. So in the grocery store, you'll find the same kind of fruit from different regions. Local watermelon from Myanmar. Local orange from South Africa. Local pineapple from Thailand or Philippines. There are also fruit from different regions within China. Apple from Xinjiang, apple from Shanxi province, apple from Shandong province. So next time you go grocery shopping, you can pay attention to their 产地. But I don't know much about their difference, so usually I just pick randomly.
This one is called 火龙果.
火龙果，喝我火，了龙，割我果，火龙果。I don't eat this fruit, so I don't know much about this fruit.
Because it's red.
提子 grape 特宜提子 In Mandarin, we have two words related to grape. 葡萄坡无葡特熬桃葡萄 Puta is China's local grape, while Tiz is American grape. For me, the difference between Puta and Tiz is that it's easier for Puta to remove its skin, and for that reason, I only eat Puta. You have to taste both of them to tell the difference. I didn't stop here, but the fruit behind me is 龙眼 了ong 龙眼龙眼 Another word for 龙眼 is 桂圆各位桂圆桂圆 They're the same thing.
On the tag in the grocery store, it says 泰国龙眼. They're from Thailand. 泰国特爱泰哥我国泰国 Thailand. Countries in Southeast Asia are big exporters of fruit to China. Strawberry
草莓刺袄草摸莓草莓橘子基于橘子Alright, let's have a quick review of the words we learned in today's video.
哈密瓜西瓜苹果梨柠檬柚子火龙果提子草莓橘子
Thanks for watching the video. I'm Yan Yan. I'll see you next time.